In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track restricted funds in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential feature for anyone looking to differentiate certain funds, such as donations or grants that are intended for specific purposes. By organizing your finances in this way, you maintain clarity and ensure compliance with any restrictions on those funds. Let's dive right in. To start, the first step you need to take is to enable classes in QuickBooks Online. This is a powerful feature that allows you to classify transactions, which is incredibly useful for tracking restricted funds separately from your other transactions. If you need a little extra assistance with this part, we have another video that guides you through the steps of enabling classes, so feel free to check that out for a more in-depth look. Once you've got classes enabled, it's time to add a new class specifically for your restricted funds. This will be labeled as restricted, and it will serve as a category that you can assign to your transactions. By doing this, you'll be able to easily track and report on these funds whenever necessary. Now that the setup part is complete, let's move on to applying this to your transactions. Whenever you create a new transaction in QuickBooks Online, you will now see an option to set its class. This is where you will select the restricted class for any transactions that fall under this category. It's a straightforward process that ensures all related transactions are clearly marked and easy to access whenever you need to review them. But what about existing transactions that you want to classify as restricted? QuickBooks makes this easy as well. To reclassify transactions, start by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. From there, you'll select Reclassify Transactions. This option allows you to systematically go through your accounts and update the classifications of older transactions. Once in the Reclassify Transactions view, select the specific account where the transaction resides. After selecting it, you can click Reclassify and then choose the restricted class for those transactions. And there you have it. Tracking restricted funds in QuickBooks Online is that simple. By keeping restricted funds separate from your other funds, you create an organized structure that helps in reporting and compliance. Remember, it's crucial to stay consistent in applying these classifications. This consistency will pay off when it comes time to present accurate financial reports. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of tracking restricted funds in QuickBooks Online. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. See you in the next video.